EmoWave can read your behavior, because EmoWave are looking at your pattern again and again and again and again, the frequency of it.
Very amazed at how accurate it was in terms of my parts of my personality that I wasn't really conscious of, especially the journey. The journey was very, very interesting, but also the emotional stress levels is kind of something I knew, but EmoWave helped me to pinpoint what was causing that. And I realize now it's because I worry too much about everything in my life, and I placed little emphasis on worrying about myself. So it was very interesting, and kind of it gives you the facts and then it explains the facts to you in an understandable way. You know, so now I can go out and I'm more aware and I'm more conscious of the things that I need to change and work on in order to become a more conscious human and function better in society.
To do this is life-changing, and especially depending on what you do with the outcome of your report, etc.
I think Dixon is absolutely amazing. He's engaging and he's funny and he's very attentive and he's interested in everyone. I feel like everyone got real personal attention, you know. I was never bored, which, you know, it's 6 hours long. It's 6 hours but never bored. He was very entertaining and very, very intelligent. You know, everything that he said made a lot of sense.